Welcome back to Bags on the Go. And I got some parts for my El Camino. So this first box here is the first parts I found. And pretty much the full facial, bumper grills, headlight bezels. It was a few things like the license plate cover there and some tail lights and side markers and stuff. You'll see this stuff in a minute, but you never really seen it up close. I haven't showed you yet, so now you can look at it, check it out. But yeah, let's get into the parts. You know, this stuff isn't new. It's kind of like old takeoff because he was restoring the car, but the stuff is in good shape. And the route that I'm taking this car back to is going to be semi-restored, but you know, you'll see that later. And I don't like to talk about things before it's done. New grill, used grill.
You guys back up.
He gave me both. I got the wheels as well. Found them on Facebook Market. New door seals. They're used, but they're still in great shape. They could be cleaned up, rubbed out. I'm going to set all of this stuff out in a few. The next clip, you're going to be able to see everything laid out. And you'll be able to see, what I found. And again, when I'm piecing these projects together, I go straight to Facebook Market first if I can utilize a friend or somebody that knows somebody or somebody. So go right to Facebook Market. You never know what you'll find on there. Sometimes you got to do a deep search. Sometimes it's right in your area. All you got to do is just search. So check out this bumper. This also came off his car. And it has the bumper guards. So that's what I really liked about it. And it's clean. You got no rust build up on the top like mine's. Look at them factory wheels. Ooh, the factory wheels sharp. Can't beat it. So I'm in search of a new bumper because you see this bumper here. It's seen better days. Tail lights, I got the tail lights, but this bumper got to go. And that's all I want to do is just freshen up the car. They don't have to be brand spanking new, but anything could look better than what I got here. And then show you the bed. So I took the rubber out, the rubber mat that's in the bed, took that out. It's a piece of wood right here on this back door. I guess they were sliding things in and out. So that helped save the bed, but she's pretty clean. She's sharp. When I first got it, I took it to the car wash and rinsed all the leaves and stuff out of it and cleaned the side. That's how the side, you see how the side is so white. I ain't do the bottom. You know, stuff was spraying all up in my face and all of that, and I just was ready to hit the road. But everything worked, everything here as it should, and she's clean. You know, the driver's side rear quarter panel is the ugliest part on this car, but you know, we gonna get there. This bed is sharp. Look at that window. Bed is clean. Now for up under the hood, be a better chance for you to see everything now. Has AC. This is the 305. I got to replace the fuel line and gas tank, stuff like that, brake lines, all of that. You know I'm going to do all of that stuff. But everything is here. Everything is original as it should. It's all here. And I like the fact that it has AC. So, you know, we're going to get in the engine bay and clean it up when we get the day to do so. But for right now, I just admire the originality of this El Camino. So you see I got this window down. I haven't even unlocked the passenger door. I've been letting this car air out. It just smells bad. You know, you can tell it's been sitting for a couple years. And before I get in here and do anything, I gotta get that smell out of here. It don't smell like mothballs. It smell like rats. And but yeah, you can tell. You can tell it's just sitting, neglected. And that's how I got it. Gotta love that old school sticker. Still says Mexico. But I'm gonna keep it blue interior as well. I've been thinking about it, like, should I change it while I get the chance? I'm like, nope, keep it blue because I like it off the white. So with being patient and checking Facebook Market, I found this bumper. That bumper is clean. It got a minor scratches and a couple of dents you can find in it, but guess what? It's better than what I have. And if I wanted to hide the areas, all I got to do is put a impact strip on the bumper. Other than that, I really don't care. It don't look like this one. I would like to say thank you to who all participated in donating towards this build. When the time comes and I start to plan to start putting these pieces on, you'll see it. I'll be recording it and I'll be getting right to it. But trust me, I cannot wait. I came across this hood off a Choo Choo edition, El Camino. It's a limited edition that they make. Couldn't beat it. Couldn't pass it. Had to have it. On the way back, I saw this car cruising down the road. I said, you know what? I think all my ducks are in a row. I'm headed the right way. This is going to be me one day cruising down Telegraph, enjoying my old school El Camino. You see, he has some wood in the back. Can't be afraid to put that pickup truck to work. Hey, salute to you, my friend. If you're watching my YouTube, I appreciate what you got going on there. Enjoy your ride and drive them cars. Check out this brown on brown El Camino. So I went to a swap meet over the weekend, and they also have a car show indoors and partially outside. But this one here is always indoors, and I've seen this car multiple years that I come to this show, and never really looked in it, never really, gave it any attention until now because I own one. I like that tonneau cover right there. That was pretty cool to see. You don't really see these tonneau covers on cars like these nowadays. Usually you can find them photos, of course, but this car was clean. I like the color contrast. I like how clean it was. It's just a Survivor. It's not a show car, but you know, it has its good areas, and it's clean, it's sharp. You know, you can tell the owner is keeping it up, and he appreciates his El Camino. Okay, so back to my build. Drop the hood off to Mako. And we're going back with the white on white. So the inside and outside will be white. And the white is just going to be a basic Chevy white. I could have went pearl, but I decided not to.